The main focus of the regulatory agency like COFEPRIS is one of the objectives is to make sure that the mandate we have is to ensure the quality, safety, efficacy of all the product, and that include medical device. So the industry is looking for a way to introduce the product they have developed and to make sure those products are accessible very quickly. So one of the roles of the regulator is to make sure that those elements, the concept of quality safety, are achieved, and by, for example, clarifying the definition, ensuring that there is a clear definition for the industry to be able to submit an application. Also ensuring the best rule or regulation in order for the industry to make sure that they can submit and provide all the information that is necessary to assess the product and to demonstrate the safety and quality of this product. And also additionally is to guide the industry for when they meet some problems for whether a registration or for whether during an inspection process, to help the industry, to guide them how they can demonstrate the value, quality, safety and efficacy of this product. So the focus is to help the industry to produce products that are meeting the regulation that ensure the quality safety for the public. The regulatory framework that COFEPRIS is trying to follow, first of all, COFEPRIS is trying to align against those harmonization initiatives that the Global Harmonization Task Force, the International Medical Device Regulatory Forum has tried to develop, or whether organizations like APEC or PAO try to promote, is trying to converge. So the regulatory framework is always the same. We try to achieve the same convergence, same harmonization in order to reduce the barrier. COFEPRIS is involved in different harmonization network. One, COFEPRIS now is an observer to the International Medical Regulatory Forum since last year. And they are also actively involved in the Pacific Alliance. And they are also member of the PAO OMS group of working group on medical device. So they have a relation, and they are also, as the COFEPRIS is a pilot center for good registration management, but they are member of the APEC, and they are involved in all the regulatory network and networks that are trying to harmonize and converge. We learn from the other. First of all, we learn a lot from the existing network on harmonization that I mentioned, APEC, PAO, IMDRF, GHTF, and Global Pacifico Alliance. But in terms of innovation, one of the ways was to, for example, the Center of Excellence has been established by COFEPRIS in order to identify the area of innovation that can stimulate the regulation of medical device, with the objective of better access, better quality of services, and improving in prevention. So that is one of the objectives. And the International Week on Regulatory Science that is planned 20 to 23rd November this year in Expo Santa Fe will be having 4 days specially dedicated for medical device, and we are going to talk about innovation. We try to align and harmonize and to have a convergence with the definition of the medical device. And that was done with the International Harmonization Initiative. So that is one of the 4 of harmonization. The second aspect is the classification. And in the classification, the definition of the different level of classification was also aligned and converging with the harmonization that was done by the different group in the world.